unlock glamorous lashes that wow. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here because today we will be unlocking glamorous lashes that wow with some mascara magic. Ready to take your lashes from meh to magnificent? We're diving deep into the world of mascara hacks that will leave you with lashes so stunning they'll steal the show. Whether you're a makeup newbie or a mascara pro, get ready to level up your lash game. Want lashes that touch the sky? Let's make it happen. First up, lash primer. Think of it as the ultimate base coat for your lashes. It preps, primes, and adds a little extra oomph before you even reach for your mascara. Apply a thin coat, let it dry, and prepare for mascara magic. Lash fibers are your secret weapon for extreme length. Apply one coat of your favorite mascara, then gently dust on those lash fibers. Seal the deal with another coat of mascara and bam! Instant lash extensions. Just a heads up, if you wear contacts, proceed with caution as fibers can sometimes cause irritation. Choosing the right mascara is key. Look for mascaras specifically designed for lengthening. These formulas are packed with ingredients that stretch and define each lash, giving you that coveted, fluttery look. For a natural-looking length boost, try the vertical application technique. Hold your mascara wand vertically and use the tip to carefully coat each lash. This method allows you to target even the tiniest lashes, creating a longer, more defined lash line. A clever eyeliner trick can also create the illusion of thicker, longer lashes. Use a fine-tipped liquid liner to draw tiny dashes or dots along your lash line. This subtle definition will make your lashes appear fuller and more voluminous. Ready for a slightly unconventional hack? The hairdryer hack might sound crazy, but it works. Apply your mascara as usual, then immediately blast your lashes with a hairdryer on the cool setting, directing the airflow upwards. Repeat with a second coat for extra lift and length. Dreaming of thick, luscious lashes? Let's pump up the volume. Volumizing mascaras are your best friend here. Look for formulas with an hourglass-shaped wand, as these are designed to grab and coat every lash for maximum impact. Layering is the name of the game when it comes to volume. Start with a lengthening mascara to define each lash, then follow up with a volumizing formula to add thickness and drama. It's the perfect combo for show-stopping lashes. Don't be afraid to apply multiple coats of mascara to build volume. Just be sure to let each coat dry slightly before applying the next to avoid clumping. Patience is key to achieving that perfect voluminous look. Focus your mascara application on the center of your lashes to create a wide-eyed, voluminous effect. This technique adds fullness without making your outer lashes look spidery or clumpy. Mascara cocktailing is a fun way to customize your lash look. Combine a mascara for volume with one for length to create a formula that perfectly suits your needs. Experiment and find your perfect lash cocktail. The wiggle technique is a must for maximum volume. Wiggle the mascara wand back and forth at the base of your lashes during application. This helps to coat each lash from root to tip, creating a fuller, more voluminous lash line. Try the wave and press hack for extra lift and volume. Wave the wand around in the air for about 30 seconds to let the formula dry slightly. Then, fan out your lashes with your fingers and gently press them upwards while the mascara is about 80% dry. This will give you a noticeable lift and curl. Mastering the art of mascara application is essential for achieving flawless lashes. Let's dive into some pro techniques. Curling your lashes before applying mascara is a game changer. Use an eyelash curler to clamp at the base of your lashes for 10 seconds. For an extra boost, try a heated lash curler. Pay attention to your wand position. Turn the wand horizontally to mirror the natural curvature of your lash line, brushing from root to tip. Tilt the wand vertically for precision when coating the inner and outer corners of your lashes. Remember the wiggle technique? Wiggle the wand back and forth from the base to the tips of your lashes to thicken the roots and prevent clumping. This ensures that each lash is coated evenly for a smooth, voluminous finish. Don't forget your bottom lashes. Hold the wand vertically and move the brush lightly from outer to inner corner in a windscreen wiper motion for lower lash definition. This adds balance to your overall look and makes your eyes pop. Always remove any excess mascara from the wand before application to avoid clumps. Wipe the wand on a tissue to remove excess product, ensuring a smooth and even application. Apply mascara in a zigzag motion from the base to the tips of your lashes. This technique helps to separate and coat each lash, preventing clumping and creating a fuller, more defined lash line. Try stamping the base of your lashes with mascara to create a tight line effect. This technique fills in any gaps between your lashes, making your lash line appear thicker and more defined. Tired of mascara smudges ruining your look? Let's banish those panda eyes for good. Start with an eyeshadow primer to control oily lids. You can also use a rapidly absorbing beauty oil to keep your lids hydrated without causing smudging. Lightly dust translucent powder under your eyes to absorb oil and prevent mascara from transferring. This creates a barrier between your skin and your mascara, keeping your under eye area clean and smudge-free. Waterproof mascara is your best friend when it comes to preventing smudging. Choose a waterproof formula that will stay put even through sweat, tears, and humidity. Try using setting spray before applying mascara. This creates a barrier that helps to prevent smudging and keeps your mascara in place all day long. Avoid touching or rubbing your eyes, as this can cause mascara to smudge and transfer. Be mindful of your habits and try to keep your hands away from your eyes. Gently wipe or blot your under eye area throughout the day to remove excess oil and mascara. This will help to keep your under eye area clean and prevent smudging. Only apply mascara to the front of your upper lashes and avoid applying too much to your bottom lashes. This will minimize the risk of smudging and keep your under eye area clean. Ensure your eye cream is fully absorbed before applying makeup. This will prevent your mascara from mixing with the cream and causing smudging. Apply a waterproof top coat over your favorite mascara for extra protection against smudging. This will seal in your mascara and keep it in place all day long. Let's wrap up with some essential tips for mascara mastery. Clean your mascara wand regularly to prevent clumpy application and bacteria buildup. Use a makeup wipe or brush cleaner to keep your wand clean and hygienic. Avoid pumping the mascara wand in the tube, as this introduces air and dries out the mascara. Swirl the wand instead to coat it evenly with product. Replace your mascara every 2 to 3 months to prevent bacteria buildup and ensure optimal performance. This will also help to prevent eye infections and irritation. Keep a cotton bud or pad soaked in eye makeup remover handy to correct any mistakes. This will allow you to quickly and easily clean up any smudges or errors without ruining your entire makeup look. Ready to rock those glamorous lashes? Now, it's your turn to shine. Try out these mascara hacks and let us know which ones work best for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and tricks. And be sure to share this video with your fellow makeup enthusiasts so they can unlock their lash potential too. Let's get those lashes looking fabulous.